So what does this look like practically? You know, it means that you're the person sometimes when you're sensing a bit of polarization and division that can say, you know, rather than, am I going to support the group that wants to centralize, or are we going to support the group that wants to decentralize? You bring just a little bit of a new perspective. How do we get the benefits of centralization and the benefits of decentralization? You know, that one word changes the whole way we're looking at the situation. You know, as folks that are really leaning in to modernizing and embracing change, you know, I'm thinking this is something you're having to navigate constantly. Folks are saying, okay, am I going to hold on to these values of mine, or am I going to accept this change that you're proposing? You know, you can be the person that says, how are we going to hold on to our values, to our tradition, to our reputation, and at the same time, get the benefits of this change that we're talking about? That shift from or to and changes everything.